Wow, 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 wow. Wow.
Это да.
Who is there?
Такой.
Oops, here it is. Wow, what a guy. You see in the garden like a net, or rather like this.
Как это. Фу.
Already everything
Всё
inside
внутри
is shaking,
трясётся,
huh?
а?
Today I am in such a cool place. Generally alone, and there is no one around at all. Silence, the birds are singing.
Лягушки квакают.
Friends, hello everyone. Today I came again to a small river, or rather it is a small stream. But try the evening bite. Maybe you can catch something or not. But today, as I think, the main fish will be crucian carp. The sun is already, one might say, at its zenith. There are literally, I think, about 2 hours left until complete darkness. Maybe even a little smaller. The heat of the day had already subsided. The heat had subsided. It's enough to sit so comfortably by the water. In the afternoon we had, or rather in the late afternoon, so at 5 o'clock in the evening, it was more than 30 degrees. There was no heat at all. There was a wind. Now the wind has died down. All right, guys, I'm going to throw a fishing rod. Today I'm going to catch a float. Here, literally to the reeds, to the other shore. Here I have a 6-meter fishing rod. I'm going to throw straight to those reeds to try. Okay, I'm casting a fishing rod and waiting for the first bites. So, I've already planted a worm here, guys. I will try to catch a worm first. I think the worm will be better today. Although maggot worked better on the last fishing trip, I refused to peck at the worm at all. Now, such a strong current has become quite strong. I have now moved the sinker closer to the hook so that the float does not drift down with the current so quickly. And then I don't know, probably the crucian carp will not have time to grab if you quickly demolish. Oops, who do we have here? Op! Here is such a first giant pecked.
Вот такой вот первый гигант клюнул.
He also catches the float with garbage and demolishes it. So I fed the guys with the same bait as it was on the last fishing trip. By the way, you can watch the last fishing, there or you didn't peck at me. I will leave the link in the description under this video. So who hasn't looked, be sure to look. The bait is greenish in color, with such a pungent smell of garlic, and I added tutti frutti to it.
Резким запахом чеснока, и я добавлял в нее еще тутти-фрути.
I don't know how to peck, I don't know. Added tutti, fruit clings to the bottom.
Нет, на дно цепляется.
So I added tutti frutti, and this beat molasses, and it turned out that the aroma was so sweet and garlic.
И получался аромат такой сладко-чесночный.
Well, let's see how he shows himself again today.
Покажет себя опять.
Oops. Here is such a crucian.
Карасик.
He's so pot-bellied. The current has become strong. Bad. Wow, 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 wow.
Ух ты, ух ты.
Wow,
Вот это
guys.
да, ребята.
Who's there? Right away.
Сразу, сходу.
In
Вообще,
general,
где-то
where
там.
are you there? How did I
Как я
hook
тебя
you
там
there?
зацепил-то?
Come on,
Иди сюда.
come on, come on, come on. Let's eat.
Иди, 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 иди. Давай, 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 давай. Есть.
Wow.
Ух ты.
And he
И
got off
слетел
the
он с
hook right
крючка
away.
сразу.
And
Да,
not
не,
through it
насквозь
just
его
passed.
Прошел.
I just
Прям
threw it right away.
только забросил.
Вау.
Вот это да.
Planted two
Насадил два
maggots.
опарыша.
Oh,
Ой,
two
два
maggots,
опарыша, два
two
червяка.
worms. And immediately
вот
here's the
поклевка.
bite. Oh,
Ой,
cool.
классно.
Oh, what a
Ой,
guy.
ребят, какой.
So
Такой
cool,
классный,
huh?
да?
Karasiamba. Okay, let him lie on the sidelines for now. I will immediately make another lump of bait,
Прикормки.
because now the fish probably got scared there.
Испугался.
Just a little bit like that. I didn't
даже
even
не
expect
ожидал.
it. Only a
Только
straight
прям
float touched the water
Плавал,
and an instant
коснулся
bite.
воды и моментальная поклевка.
So now
Так,
I'm
еще
going to
щас
plant a worm.
червячка насажу.
A worm, a
Червячка,
worm, and
червячка.
another one.
И второго еще.
Well,
Ну,
I'm
специально
planting
так
it on
крупнее
purpose like
насаживаю,
this,
чтоб
so that the
мелочь
trifle
не
doesn't
склевала.
bite. And they're
И туда
closer to
ближе
the bushes.
хвостиком.
Wow, wow, wow,
Ух ты,
wow,
ух ты,
wow.
ух ты, ух ты.
Wow.
Вот это да.
Who is
Кто
there?
там такой?
Come on,
Давай,
come
давай,
on,
давай.
come on,
Давай,
come
давай.
on, come here.
Иди сюда.
Well,
Ну,
there is.
есть.
Wow,
Вот это да.
wow.
Ух ты.
Karasiamba.
Карасямбр.
A good Karasiamba well. The Gusterka is a small peck. I put it here.
Ну, густерка это мелко клевал, я ее сюда положил.
About
О,
what?
какой.
Yes,
На
on the
течении
current on
таком,
such a section
птичка
as you
какая,
see.
видите?
Sticks all
Палки
carries.
несет.
Oh,
О,
what a
какой
handsome man.
красавец. Ух ты, ух ты.
Something I have not left it. Like this. Here it is, too. Oops. Another one. Opa is Gustaroshka. Gusterka. The bream is rather small. Let's let him go. Something even bigger, stronger, or rather, the current has become. I have a sinker almost at the bottom. Not almost. I'm dragging right along the bottom. I did it on purpose so as to slow down the float movement at least a little. He's tearing down the grass anyway. Hoa, gone.
Ушел.
There is.
Есть.
Ugh.
Фу.
That's what he is.
Какой.
Whoa, quiet.
Тихо.
Beauty and what
Красавец,
kind?
какой.
The fighter is gone.
Боец. Эч. Ушел.
Well,
Ну,
it's
ничего
okay.
страшного.
We'll
Еще
catch it again.
поймаем.
It's a
Одно
pleasure to
удовольствие
pull out
таких
such
карасей
beauties on such a current.
вытаскивать вот на таком течении.
We're going to
Сейчас
plant a worm
червячка
again now.
насадим.
Here is
Вот
such a
такой
big
большой
piece.
кусок.
Wow.
Ух ты!
Wow, 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 wow.
Ух ты, ух ты!
Come on,
Давай,
come
иди
on,
сюда.
come here. This is the
Вот это
resistance of the
сопротивление,
guys
ребят,
on
на
such a
таком
current.
течении.
Cool.
Классно.
Oops,
Опа.
there is.
Есть.
fur.
Фу.
Flew off the
Слетел с
hook right in the
крючка прям в
cage.
садке.
Here are the
Вот, ребята,
guys,
они все
they're
тут
all
такие
so
вот
standard here.
стандартные.
That's what
Вот
a
какой.
handsome man.
Красавец.
That's what
Вот
it
какой.
is. Oops. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Опа.
There is.
Есть.
Which ones? Carp ambergris.
Карасямбры, а?
Powerful?
Мощные.
Wow,
Ух ты
what a
какой.
guy. About
Фу,
what?
какой. Бум.
A big guy
Бугай
like
такой,
that,
да?
right. Pot-bellied,
Пузатый.
wide, you can see the carp
Широкий.
over there, as he walks through the bushes.
Вон его видно, карася, как он ходит по кустам.
The
Кусты
bushes
прям
are shaking.
трясутся.
Oops,
Опа!
here it is. Wow,
Ух ты
what a
какой.
guy. Wow,
Ух ты какой.
Guys,
Ребята,
this is
это прям
probably the
самый
most powerful one for today.
мощный за сегодня.
Come on,
Давай,
just
давай,
come on.
Док.
Come
Давай,
on,
давай,
come on
потихонечку.
slowly. Come on, come on, come on.
Давай, 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 давай. Иди, 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 иди.
Well.
Ну,
And there are guys. Wow.
есть, ребята. Ух ты.
You see already a cage like a net, or
Сачок,
rather like
вернее,
this.
как это. Фу.
Already
А
everything
всё
inside is
трясётся,
shaking, huh? Wow,
Вот это да.
wow.
Ух ты.
Ho, there's one.
Вон какой.
Probably under a kilo will be. It came
Из
off the
крючка
hook right in the
оторвался
net.
там в сачке.
Here's the
Вот,
guys.
ребят, какой.
What? Ugh,
Фу.
that's cool,
Вот это
huh?
классный, а.
Like this.
Такой.
In
Во,
a monster. Monster carp.
Карась. Ух, ух.
It's just a
Просто
thrill
кайф
to pull them
таких
out
на
on the float.
поплавок вытаскивать.
Oh, my hands are
О,
still
руки
shaking.
трясутся до сих пор.
Wow.
Ух ты.
The hook
Крючок
flew off right
слетел
here in the
прямо
net.
в сачке.
What is
Чем
he?
этот?
The last
Последний
worm here is
червячок вот
left.
остался.
We're going to
Сейчас
plant it
насадим.
now.
Значит,
This
червяк
hook is
крючок
slightly
немного
bent,
выгнул.
unbent rather.
Разогнул, вернее.
The current
С чем
turned
стал
in
в
the other
другую сторону.
direction. Got off.
Пошел.
Well,
Что,
friends,
друзья, вот
I'm
этой
going to
уткой
finish
я
fishing with
закончу,
this
наверное,
fish.
рыбалку.
Well,
Ну что,
guys,
ребят, червяк
I've
у
run
меня
out of worm.
закончился.
The sun is already setting over there. It's going to be
Скоро
dark
будет
soon.
темно.
Mosquitoes have
Комары
already
задолбали,
bitten
уже
everything.
искусали всего.
Probably
Перед
before the
дождем
rain
назад
for
перед
tomorrow,
дождем
they
дождь.
transmit rain. The
Ветер
wind
такой
blew so
холодный,
cold
подул
right
прям
from there, from the field.
с поля.
I started to freeze. Well,
Ну всё,
now
щас
let's see what I managed to
посмотрим,
catch.
что удалось мне поймать.
The catch
Вот
here
вот
is
такой
such a
вот
crucian
красивый
today.
сегодня.
I let the
Остальную
rest of the
рыбу я
fish
всю
go.
отпускал.
I took
Брал
only
вот
carp.
этих карасей.
Another
Всё.
crucian
Один
has
карась
gone
у
out of
меня
my
ушел
hands,
из рук,
broke free.
вырвался на свободу.
Well,
Ну вот такой
here's
вот
such an
вечерний
evening
улов,
catch,
буквально
literally in 2 hours,
за
maybe
2
2
часа,
and a half at
может,
most.
2,5
I spent no
от
more
силы,
time
не
on the
больше
pond.
времени я провел на водоеме.
These
Такие
are
вот
good
хорошие
crucians.
карасики.
These
Вот
are the
эти вот
smaller ones.
помельче.
These are
Вот эти вот.
these are the frying pans.
Ну такие вот сковородочники.
And these are already like
А эти
this,
уже такие
already
вот уже
bigger.
покрупнее.
How many
Грамм
grams do they
сколько?
have?
Может, грамм
Maybe
300.
300 grams. Good
Хорошие
such
такие
instances.
экземпляры.
Here,
Вот.
well, and this is just the final bonus, pecked like this, and there are probably 600 grams in it,
Ну а
I
вот
think.
это вот как раз завершающим бонусом клюнул. Такой вот. В нем, наверное, грамм 600, я думаю.
Although I don't
Хотя
know
не
for
знаю
sure.
точно.
I
Врать не
won't lie
буду
to
вам.
you, I don't
Не
know.
знаю.
Unfortunately,
Весов, к сожалению,
there are
нет.
no scales. Unfortunately,
Весов, к
there are no
сожалению,
scales.
нет.
I
Врать
won't lie
вам
to
не
you
буду.
about my weight,
Какой во мне
like this.
вес. Вот такой вот.
I don't
Не
know
знаю,
how
как
I
удалось
managed to
снять
remove
все
all
эти
these bites.
поклевки.
The place
Место
here
тут
is not
такое
convenient
недостаточно
enough.
удобное.
That is
То
a
есть
fishing
удочка,
rod, a constant
постоянно
flow in one
течение, то в
direction,
одну
then
сторону,
in the
то в
other
другую
direction.
сторону.
The camera
Камера
was stationary in one place,
стационарно стояла на одном месте.
so I don't know if all
Не знаю,
these
попали
bites
в
got
кадр
into the
все эти
frame.
поклевки,
No,
нет.
you
Больше
really
строго
don't
не
judge
судите.
strictly. The
Вода
water was
постоянно
constantly
то
going to
шла на
profit,
прибыль, то на
then to
убыль.
decline. At first, when I
Сначала,
stuck the
когда
peg in,
колышко воткнул,
this screw
вот
over
этот
there
вот
is
винтик
plastic. It was in the water.
пластиковый, он был в воде.
Then the
Потом
water
вода
fell about
упала
10 centimeters, maybe 15.
10, наверное, может 15.
Now it
Сейчас
has
вот
begun
опять
to
она
arrive
стала
again.
прибывать.
Well,
Ну
guys,
что,
that's
ребята,
it.
на этом все.
Don't
Не
forget
забудьте
to subscribe
подписаться
to
на
my
мой
channel.
канал,
Put a like
поставить
or
лайк
dislike
или
there,
там
whoever
дизлайк, кто как
wants.
хочет.
Be sure to
Обязательно
write
пишите
some
какой-нибудь
comment.
комментарий.
Well,
Ну
that's it,
все, на
that's
этом
it.
все.
Good luck to everyone,
Удачи,
health, no tail
здоровья,
or
ни
scales.
хвоста, ни чешуи.
For now.
Пока.
And
А
you,
тебе,
River,
Речка,
thank you
спасибо
for
за
such a
такой
great catch, you can say.
шикарный улов, можно
That's
сказать.
it, bye
Всё,
to
всем
everyone.
пока.
See
Увидимся на
you
новой
on the new
рыбалке.
fishing trip.